Carolina Tractor Worx. We in Bennettsville, South Carolina, working today. Got a little bit, probably got about one more load of junk to get off the property. Not messing with scrap metal. We just getting all the dirt, stuff like that, wood chips, pieces of wood up and off. Here we go. We're fixing to unload. Yeah, this is Carolina Tractor Worx. Just want to give y'all a little quick video first thing this morning. Hope y'all have a great day and be safe. If you like the entertainment that I'm putting out and everything, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel because it greatly helps us out, helps me out, and I will appreciate the support. Please share them with your friends. We'll have another video here shortly based on dump truck trailer gear. Y'all have a great day. Be safe.